Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 trade setups for today. So, CPI came out better than expected. We started rallying and immediately rejected the top level. And as I said yesterday, until we get above there, I'm really not interested in getting in long. So, we're still in this channel. Very clear that we're in this channel. The problem that we do have is we've got big rejection here and a little bit of rejection off the bottom. So the minute you start drilling down, you're going to see a bit more chaos. So the pattern is continuing. Gradual climb, big fall, gradual climb, big fall, gradual climb, big fall. So question at the moment is, trend is down right now. We're in this channel, but are we building for something bigger to the downside, or are we just mucking around waiting for better days? So when we look at this on the weekly, you can see we do have a strong grouping of the oscillators, and they have crossed over. We've had one big weekly engulfing bar, and this is looking like the follow-through bar. So if that is the case, then we are looking for a bit of a deeper pullback, and it's going to be quite a wide zone, but I would expect it to be down to 43.34 and 42.68 area. That's kind of what I would expect, just looking at price action at the moment. But trend is still up, so just keep it in the back of your mind. There is a possibility. Nothing really else we can add here to the 3 hour, big range bar with the data, and then the seller stepped in and basically drove it down almost 1 full percent. And getting down to the levels that we want to be trading, which is so damn difficult at the moment because it is extremely volatile. So above and below the moving averages continues. So I'm really not even going to bother trying to even second guess this today, and we will just shut down the charts early and have a good weekend. So if you look at the 15-minute, we do have gaps here. Okay, that one closed. That one is still open, so that gap is still open. Then you have a gap there, and you have a gap right at the top of the channel again. So those gaps are open. The gap to the left here is closed, but this could be a start of a double bottom off structure, or alternatively we're just going to drop again. So the chaos continues. We're above and below the moving averages, and when we're doing this kind of stuff, I'm really not interested in trying to second guess this to get into the market. So I would strongly advise just zoom out, have a look at that. You can see you can't get any structure here. The only thing that we are adhering to almost is the 155 EMA. The rest of the moving averages we have no interest in. Market is very jittery. We don't really know what's going on. The diversions that we had, nothing on the 1 hour. 3 hour diversions is also still in play, but it is starting to die off, and as well as on the 8 hours. So I'm a little bit reluctant. There is a strong bit of support here as well, so I'll be very reluctant to jump in short here at 44.63 and 44.52. This 44.50 area, there is very strong support. We're going to have to get through it, come back, bump our heads before I'd even consider taking shorts at the moment. So that's kind of my view right now. Nothing really that stands out. It's complete confusion. Data's not helping. The noise is not helping. So we'll have to wait for better days, unfortunately. Anyway, hope it keeps you safe. I don't know if it helps you much, but I'm definitely not going to jump into this. I'll keep my money to myself. Keep it in the pocket. It's going to make a little bit more than the risk, than what the risk is worth right now. Hope that helps, and enjoy your weekend. We'll catch up with you on Monday. Cheers for now.